Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna. I am a mom of 4 kids. I love doing DIYs, home-inspired projects, and cleaning videos. So you guys, if you like that kind of stuff, you should subscribe. Why not? And go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video. I can make more of these for you. So please go ahead and do that. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas. We had a really fun Christmas, you guys. So I hung up all of our stockings by the chimney with care with contact tape and contact hooks, and most of them came off really easily, as you can tell, but then this one was really stubborn, so I had to twist it to get it off, but it totally worked and it didn't pull off the paint or anything. So that was really awesome, because who wants to do touch-up painting right now? Not me. I am loving this new bin that I got from Big Lots. I love that it's clear so I can see what's inside, and also those presents under the tree, those light up and they are super pretty, and I got those from Big Lots this year as well. And I've never done that before, but I feel like it's so cute to fill up that space underneath the tree. So all these ornaments are from Target, and the poinsettias are from the Dollar Tree, and I got about 8 of those and it filled up the whole tree. I didn't put any ornaments or decorations on the back where the wall is, because no one's going to be back there anyway, so it saved money doing that. So I only bought 1 box of ornaments for 15 bucks, and then the poinsettias were $1 each, and then the garland was like $5.99 from Big Lots. So it was really awesome, and it wasn't a lot of money at all. You guys, make sure you do safety first and make sure that your tree is unplugged before you disconnect it. You know, there's 3 sections and they're all connected to each other. So make sure you unplug your tree, then go ahead and unconnect all the connectors there because you want to be safe. This tree was super easy to assemble and it actually wasn't too bad taking it apart. And I really love that it's so lightweight. Like, I was able to put it up by myself and take it down by myself. And my husband helps me like stuffing it in the bag at the very end here, but it's super lightweight and it's like one of the best trees that I have ever seen. And yeah, I just love that it came with this bag and I can easily store it in my closet and have it for next year. It'll be perfect. Alright, so finally we get to vacuum up all the little crumbs and glitter pieces that were all over the floor and get on with our day, you guys. But I just want to say thank you so much, you guys, for watching my videos. It means so much to me and I really appreciate your support and love, and thank you, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.